Today we are making millie meal roti with Auntie Pravina. It's actually different because you have to make like a pap or putu first before you actually make the roti. So I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe! Good morning. Today we are making millie meal roti with Auntie Pravina. Now you guys have requested this, so let's get straight into it. Hello Auntie Pravina.
Hello Samir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good,
Ready
good.
for your video?
Lekker. So what I want to know is, it's called millie meal roti.
Yes.
Okay, what are the ingredients that's different from normal roti?
Normal roti, we use all-purpose flour.
Right?
Well, that they know from the previous, all the viewers know what was the flour. But when you make millie meal roti, we use this.
Okay, creamy maize flour. Okay.
Yes.
Now does this make it thicker?
This is like how you make pap
Ah, got you.
or putu,
Right.
whichever way you can call it. So this is a bit too fine
Right.
because it's creamy. But people use Nayela as well. But I don't use that because it's a bit hard and it's a bit more tough to dough it. So out there, viewers, use this. You won't find it difficult to make your roti. We're using 1.5 cups of water, and in this pot I have got some oil.
So you add a little bit oil at the bottom.
Yes, we use the oil so when you're doughing it, it's not sticky.
And
then,
the oil and water don't mix. So like, I'm so excited to see what happens now.
yeah. So in this bowl here,
Right.
I've got the same 1 cup of creamy maize flour, millie meal.
Okay.
So this is the millie meal. If you look at it, it's very fine. As you can see, I am putting it in there.
So it needs to boil.
It needs to boil. So I don't put salt. So now I am stirring my pap, actually, and I don't want lumps to come. Because of the lumps, I use a fork.
So a quick minute and a half and it's already in pap. Huh? So is this like the standard pap recipe that they make? They just make the pap like
I
this?
don't know because I never made pap in all my life. But I made a lot of roti.
Maybe they add a little bit more things to get a flavor on the pap.
Maybe millie meal is cooked.
Now this is a good 4 minutes.
Yes.
I would say.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are skipping timing.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to put it in here. You see, when it's cooked properly, it will just drop in.
It look like mash.
Right? Yeah.
Potato.
And that's only 1 cup, which will make a lot of roti here. So we'll wait for it to little cool off. This is my flour.
Yeah.
Right? But just for you all to know that I am using the all-purpose flour, and if you read properly on the packet, it will be there, cake flour. I'm going to use 1 cup of the flour. So here we go, and we start stirring into this. But I'm not going to use the fork. I'm going to use my fingers. It's still hot.
You like getting involved in it, huh?
Yeah, so now you got a soft, you already got a soft dough. Look at the dough.
Yeah.
The pap is actually very soft.
It's lumpy.
Yeah, we're going to break the lump up.
So the height basically helps you get more power
Yes,
to...
because if you don't have your height right, you cannot dough over there.
Doesn't take long to take out all the lumps and to put it together.
It's already out because it was cooked properly. So when it sticks on your hand, on your fingers like that, you just take a little bit of flour and you just rub it in. You see, there is no lumps at all.
Yeah.
If you feel that you don't want to use water, you can always use a little bit of oil at your bottom of your fingers to dough this thing, because it's not always you have to use the flour or you have to use water or whatever, because feel comfortable. I'm talking more of the younger ones. A lot of people want to make millie meal roti. I go out, they say that how you make it. I say just follow my video, I am going to do it.
But this whole process, it's only a couple minutes in.
Yes.
It's not like it's taking 2-3 hours, you know?
Well,
or it can take. It depends on the quantity you're making.
Depending on, not on the quantity, it depending how used you are with it.
Okay.
I can make the same quantity in the same time, only the rolling will be different.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to test a dough, whether it is good enough and it doesn't crack, so you just do this and you know that it doesn't crack. See. I'm going to spray my tawa with a little bit of oil so that it doesn't burn and stick.
So is that like your own non-stick
Yeah,
spray?
that's
But with
my
oil.
own. Yeah. Now I make little balls of this millie roti. So now it's the same procedure as rolling the other rotis. You make the disc and you put it to toast.
Pravina, you make this vlog so easy.
Thanks, Samir.
I can't if I had to do this, mine will never be round. It'll come out like a football.
It doesn't matter. Some people take plate and all and they cut, I know.
Yeah. Oh,
they tell
okay.
me,
Oh, they have their own ways.
it is square, so we put a plate there and we
Yeah.
cut it and we make the roti. I've got this white cloth that I only use for roti. My curry is cooked. I'm just going to put the dhania. I take my first roti and I put onto my tawa.
Now, are we applying the same principle of 3 turns?
Yes, same thing.
Oh,
I'm not
same
going to
like
change
normal
it. Normal roti. The only snag about this whole millie roti was the cooking part of it,
that's it.
and how much of water you put, what you use in it, and all that. But now the turns is still the same. So
That's one.
that's one turn.
You can see it's already slightly brown.
Yeah. So you just got to be at it.
DJ. You're mixing that, Pravina. As a roti turn, there's supposed to be a song playing, you know?
Yeah, it should be, yeah. They had a song.
Huh?
They had a song.
What would you, what song?
Mausi rasai
Oh, yeah.
halwa.
That one is, the whole trip I went Mozambique, they're playing that thing.
Right. That
That's
is
it.
now. This roti comes up better than a paratha.
Wow, I can check it's looking like a perfect roti, huh?
This is more than a perfect roti.
Yo, look at that.
But you must let it cook.
Yeah.
The shop roti, they don't let it cook. I don't know what they are doing with it. But this, as I told you, this roti here, you can put your butter in it. Lots
Yeah.
of people like butter, they like this, that, you know.
Okay.
But,
Butter and sugar or no?
yeah.
at
But
that.
I don't do that. This is my roti. First one went.
Done.
The same procedure is for all the roti that I have
I'll
got
show
to
you one
make.
more time.
I mean, the stove is cooking very well.
Yeah,
Because
No, the new
it's
stove is
better than the
performing.
other, yeah, it's
what I was
performing very
telling
well.
you earlier is that the new stove is very instant. You just turn it on, put it
Yes.
on. It gets hot very quickly compared to old stoves. So it's nice to see. Even the roti is smelling so nice. Oh my gosh.
See, just
Look at
it's not like the other stove
And
when
see how
I had.
quickly it's...
It'll
like-
rise.
Yeah.
As you go through the heat, it'll rise and go. This
Done.
is done.
That is how you make millie meal roti. Auntie Pravina, what a nice recipe. I didn't know that you actually had these different variations of roti.
Yeah,
I know
there
there's
is
naan bread and like you were saying chapatis but I never heard of the millie meal roti before. So
why you didn't hear, Samir? Because there is a lot of people who don't know how to make it.
Yeah.
And that's the sad part of it, and they like it. And this is the most healthiest roti that you can eat.
Okay.
Because it got a lot of vitamins, it got a lot of iron, it got a lot of things because of the millie meal that we are using.
Yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. Now this video is in conjunction with the other video, which is how to make chili chicken, which is also on my YouTube page. Or if it's not there yet, it will be tomorrow. But make sure you watch that and watch this. And yeah, guys, we got some amazing recipes here with Auntie Pravina. We've done beans curry, we've done roti, we've done, what was the first one? Tin fish
Tin
chutney?
fish chutney with the paratha.
Tin fish chutney with paratha. Wow. So go and check out those videos. And yeah, thank you to Auntie Pravina once again for this amazing recipes. And thank you guys for watching. And if you want to know anything, you can put it in the comment section and we will respond with you. Or you want to see something in the future, let us know in the comment section. My name is OG. Subscribe. Bye, Auntie Pravina.
Bye. Thank you, viewers. Really appreciate your viewing. And if you all want more recipes, please contact OG. We'll shoot it up here.
Cool. Take care, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Cheerio.